students. Today we discuss the topic probability. The slides we have seen that probability means we are studying study of chances, or we can say numerical values of chances. Here's an example. Tossing a die. So this is an experiment what we are doing here. Tossing a die is an experiment. You know what a die means. It has 6 faces, which is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6. When you toss a die, so what you are looking here, what is the number which is coming in the upcoming phase? So what are the possibilities, or what are the possible numbers can come in the upcoming phase? That we call it as a sample space. We know there are 6 phases, and each phase written from 1 to 6. So the sample space we denote by S. The possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the sample space. Now look at the questions here. Find the probability of getting a number less than 5, a number smaller than 5. So we have to look here in the sample space. How many numbers are there which is less than 5? We know that these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, these numbers are less than 5. So we know the definition of probability, like the probability of an event. This is an event here. Probability of this event is the number of favorable chances divided by the total number of chances. Here we know that the numbers less than 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers which is less than 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there which is favorable chances. So probability we can write it as the favorable chances are 4 divided by the total numbers in the sample space. There are 6 numbers. So 4 divided by 6, or you can simplify this as 2 divided by 3. Look at the second question here. What is the probability of getting an even number? So what are the even numbers from the sample space? We know the even numbers are 2, 4, 6. There are 3 even numbers. So we write the probability as 3 divided by, there are 3 even numbers. So 3 divided by the total elements in the sample space, that is 6. So we write it as 3 by 6, simplified as 1 by 2. Now look at the third one. What is the chance of getting, or probability of getting, an odd number? Now look here, what are the odd numbers in the set? The odd numbers in the set are 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5. These are the odd numbers. These were the even numbers. So how many numbers are there? The 3 numbers. So here also the 3 divided by the total number in the sample space is 6, simplified as 1 over 2. Now look at the last one here. What is the probability of getting a prime number? What are prime numbers? The prime numbers are a number which have exactly 2 divisors, exactly 2 factors. We know that 1 has only 1 factor, but 2 has 2 factors, 3 has 2 factors, which is 1 and 3. We cannot divide any other number 3, but 4 has, you can see there are 3 factors, so 4 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a non-prime number because there are exactly two devices. Here we cannot call it as a prime number, one we call it as a unit because there is only one divisor. And 5, again 5 has two devices, exactly two devices. And 6, we know there are 6 has so many devices. You can divide by 2, you can divide by 3. There are so many devices. So 6 is not a prime number. So the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. These are the prime numbers. So how many numbers are there? The favorable numbers are 3. 3 out of the total number in the sample space was 6. And we can simplify it as 1 divided by 2. Hi students, look at another example for probability. Here a box contains 5 black, 6 red and 4 white balls. If one ball is taken randomly, find the probability to get a black, second question a red, third one is not a red, here a red or a white. So the question says there's a box which contains, suppose a box contains 5 black balls, 6 red and 4 white. Five black balls, 6 red and 4 white balls. So the total number of balls in the box will be 5 plus 6 plus 4, that is 15. There are 15 balls in the box. There are 5 of them are black, 6 of them are red and 4 of them are white. Now, if one ball is taken randomly, so we are taking one ball without looking at, we are taking a ball from the box. Now, the question is, what is the chance of the selecting ball? The taken ball was a black, and it's a red, not a red or a white. So let's see first question here. So we are choosing a ball from the box. What is the chance of getting a black ball? So for this, we need to look for, if we are finding the probability, so we have to look for what is the favorable chances divided by the total number of chances. Here the favorable chances means how many black balls are there? How many black balls are there? 5 out of the total chances are the total number of balls in the box, that is 15. So this is, we are looking for the probability of getting a black ball. So you have to look how many black balls are there? 5 divided by the total number of balls in the box is 15 here. So we can simplify it as 5 by 15 means 1 divided by 3. We can divide by 5 on both sides. Now look at the second one here. What is the chances, if you select that ball, what is the chance of getting a red ball? So here again, the same process, you have to look for what is the favorable chances, how many red balls are there? How many red balls are there? 6 red balls are there. Divided by the total number is 15. Here also we can simplify. You can divide by 3 here. So we get 2 divided by 5. Look at the third one. Here you are looking for, if you are selecting a ball, what is the chance to get, this is not a red ball. Not a red ball means, which is not a red ball means it can be black or white. It can be black or white, not a red ball. So what is the possible chances? If it is not a red ball means it can be 5 or 4, that means it can be black or white, which means 5 plus 4. the chance is 5 plus 4 divided by the total chances is 15. So not a red ball means it can be black or white. So that way we are adding 5 and 4 here. 5 plus 4 divided by 15, that is 9 over 15, which can be reduced as, or divided by 3, you will get 3 over 5. Look at the last question here. What is the chance of getting a red or a white ball? What is the chance of getting a red or a white ball? So it can be red or white. So the favorable chances are 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 over the total number is 15. That is 10 over 15. You can simplify by dividing by 5, you get 2 over 3. Then this question can be represented as in this way using a tree diagram. This is a tree diagram here. There are 3 different chances are there from the box, which can be black, red or white. We can represent with the tree diagram. It can be a black ball, it can be a red ball, and it can be a white ball. So our experiment here, that means choosing a ball, we are representing with a tree diagram. So when you select a ball, it can be, there are 3 possibilities are there. It can be a black, it can be a red, or it can be a white. And each cases, we know the probability of getting a black. How many black are there? 5 out of 15. This can be simplified as 1 by 3. How many red balls are there? 6 out of 15. It can be written as 2 divided by 5. How many white balls are there? 4 out of 15. This we cannot simplify. So this we call it as a tree diagram. So when we look for the probabilities, we can write the probabilities from even from this tree diagram also.